Good evening, everyone. Tonight we have a box of 1994 Stadium Club Series 1. Looking for stars and Hall of Famers, as there's pretty much no rookies at all in here. None worth mentioning, at least. So there's really no point. We'll go ahead and, get started here in a second. We'll take a look at the Beckett. The current Beckett. I don't have one from back in the day to cover 94. I stopped buying basically in 1993, so we'll take a look here. This is Series 1, which is 270 cards. So obviously for those of you who don't do math, that means we stop at number 270. So in this case, the cutoff down here will be the Barry Bonds HR home run card, I guess. And you see Bonds, Mattingly, Gwynn, Piazza, Griffey Jr., Nolan Ryan, George Brett, Robin Yount, and, some other inserts, in there, etc. So that's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and get this box opened up off camera and be back in a second and get to ripping. All right, we are back here. Go ahead and get started. Let's see here. They have 24 packs in a box. Looks like we have 12 super premium baseball cards per pack. Like I said, pretty much no rookies in this thing. So we are looking for Hall of Famers, stars, and inserts. Oh, look at that, right on the top. We got Mike Piazza. Hopefully these things aren't bricked too bad. We'll put a Piazza there. And we got Troy Neal. And of course we got cards going every which way. Let's see. Omar Vizquel. Gerald Clark. As always, the photography is pretty nice in these things. Appreciate you guys hanging in there, stopping by. Make sure you click that subscribe button, click the like button, notification icon, all that good stuff. Whatever floats your boat. Sean Green, Major League debut. Is there a card in the back? Let me see here. Make sure they're not bricked. Eric Davis, I guess so. Luis Alicea. Is there a card there? Of course there is. Tim Mauser. Pat Henkin. Got a little bit of bricking here. It's not too bad, though. And Steve Bedrosian. See, we didn't really lose much there. Wait a minute. This looks like the first pack. Look at that. Another Mike Piazza. Oh. And we got Mike Perez. Scott Brocious. We got Major League debut Steve Traxel. We got a team card here. Top 3 trios, Atlanta Braves. Juan Gonzalez Home Run Club. We got Jeffrey McNeely, Major League debut. Nobody cares though. We got Matt Noakes. We got Ron Gant. Looking like he's in Playgirl or something. Okay. We got Kent Herbeck. And we got Daryl Hamilton, Rob Nen, Major League debut. And Skeeter Barnes. Good old Skeeter Barnes. Anybody out there PC Skeeter Barnes, let me know. I'll be happy to send that card. Alright, we got insert here. 3,000 hits, Dave Winfield. Pretty cool. We got Pat Henkin again. Haven't seen that one. We got Todd Froworth, John Shave. First day issue. Collect a first day issue info card 1 of 10. Andy Bennis. We got Lenny Webster, Danny Bautista, Chris Turner, Major League debut. We got Mike McFarland, Jim Eisenreich, Chili Davis, little bit of bricking here, and who do we have? And we have Sammy Sosa. Pretty nice card of Sammy Sosa. And the bricking is not too bad. You know, you always worry when you get one of these older packs of Stadium Club. And I'm starting to see a pattern here. What is this? The third pack out of the first 4 where Mike Piazza is on the back. And then we got Fernando Valenzuela looking a little slim there.
Green card, okay. You're now Fernando Valenzuela. You had 21 wins last year. All right.
Just a little bit. Good old Fernando. Then we got Matt Miesky, Ted Power. Atlanta Braves, top three trios. We got Dick Schofield. You gotta love the photography in these cards, though. Design, I'm not too big on, but photography was always top notch. Matt Noakes again. Fernando Valenzuela. Wait a minute. Fernando Valenzuela again. Okay. Todd Pratt. All right. So far, it looks like the collation is pretty decent in these. Let's see if Mike Piazza's in the back of this pack, too. If I could even get it open. Okay, this is bad. All right. There we go. And there's no Mike Piazza on the back. We got Pat Kelly, Dave Hollins. We got a little bit of bricking here. Just a little bit. What do we got? Bobby Bonilla as a Met with that great contract. Jeff Treadway. We got Mike Piazza Dugout Dirt. Another one of these info cards. And we got Randy Velarde, Omar Vizquel. Interesting card. Major League debut, Brad Holman, Juan Bell, Danny Darwin. We got Todd Froworth again. Bobby Bonilla again. Why does that look different? This must be an insert, maybe? I don't know. Don't know. Very interesting. So, all right, we'll keep moving this along here. Taking entirely too much time on these packs. Entirely too much time. In fact, I can't even open these packs up. All right, we got Denny Martinez, Jacob Brumfield. There's definitely something with this chrome there. Finest. I know I'm missing something on it. Alright, just wanted to take a look there. Yeah, apparently those are the Golden Rainbow parallels. So, I have to learn a little bit there. Looks like, feels like I got a little bricking going on here. Alright. We got Steve Traxel again, Jeff Blauser, John Shave, and then Jacob Brumfield, another Scott Brocious. Could never go without too many Scott Brocious cards. And Darren Fletcher. Oh, hold on. Can't forget Greg Swindell on the back there. All right, let's get this rolling because this is taking, like I said, taking way too long here. A little bit of bricking, but still shouldn't be taking this long. We got Steve Scarsone. And we got Chris Haney, Brent Gates, Super Team cards. I guess that's another one of those info cards that tell you about the set. Kevin Baez, Jason Beret, Arthur Rhodes. We got Steve Cook. Got somebody piggybacking there, Tony Fernandez. We got Tom Foley, Arthur Rhodes. Let's see, a couple of cards back to back. Phil Plantier, Golden Rainbow, and Chris Bosio. All right, we got Tony Fossas, Nolan Ryan, and Golden Rainbow one. That's a nice one there. Probably one of the better cards you could pull in the set star-wise. So him and Griffey. And we got Paul Neal, John O'Donohue. And we got a Home Run Club info card. Ron Gant, Home Run Club. This time he's got his shirt on at least. We got Chris Carpenter, Rob Deere, Mike Lavalier. And we got Louis Polonia, Tom Candiotti. And we got a couple more back here. Who do we got? We got Stan Belinda and Greg McMichael. Hope everyone is doing well tonight. Like I said, I'll try and keep this thing moving along. Hopefully we don't have too much bricking. That'll definitely help. All right, we got Benito Santiago. Let me make sure there, yep. We got Randy Myers. And we got Greg Olson, Jim Eisenreich. We got another award winners. This info card again. Mike Perez, Denny Martinez, Rob Dibble, Damian Easley, Rafael Palmeiro, Home Run Club. We got Steve Cook. And a couple of back-to-back. We got Mike Harkey, Golden Rainbow, and Jeffrey McNeely, Major League Debut. Well, I haven't seen a Mike Piazza here in a couple packs. All right, we got Sean Berry, Terry Mulholland there, Golden Rainbow Parallel. Eric Karros, Freddie Benavides. And we got Tale of Two Players info card. And nobody cares. You got Will Clark. Got a nice Rich Gossage there, the Goose. Junior Ortiz, Sandy Alomar. You got Jose Lean here and Lance Johnson piggybacking. We got Tom Henke and Don Slaught. All right, let's keep this moving, or at least try to. Of course, we got back-to-back. We got John O'Donohue, Major League Debut, and again, another one of him. Anybody PCs him, let me know. We got Scott Heeman, Roberto Hernandez, David West, Brad Holman, Carlos Hernandez, Jose Canseco, the greatest player of all time. So we shall put him.
It is off his head, it looked like.
Right up front. We got Frank Thomas, Home Run Club. It's not a bad one. I guess we can move Canseco over. All right, Mike Piazza, Dugout Dirt info card, Scott Fletcher, another Ron Gant and his Playgirl audition photo. And we have Golden Parallel, Rainbow Parallel, excuse me, Jeff Gardner and Lance Johnson. All right, let's see what we get. We got Steve Scarcone, J.R. Phillips, Major League Debut, All right, another Don Slott. We got David West and John Olerud piggybacking. Nice John Olerud there, award winner card. We got Don Slott, and looks like we got Tony Pena, Mike Maddox, Tony Pena there. Carlos Baerga. Another info card. These are pretty annoying. Lee Guterman with someone on the back. Mel Rojas. We got Ricky Gutierrez, Major League debut, Golden Rainbow, and then we got a Ken Griffey Jr. Home Run Club. Put him in the back there. Bricking is not too bad in these, at least. You got Royce Clayton. Oh, we got an insert there. There we go. And we got another Mel Rojas. Can never get too many of those. Tim Tuffle. Greg Jeffries there. We got Scott Service. Once again, some good action shots here. We got John Vanderwall. And we got, let's see here, Mike Piazza, Home Run Club. Pretty cool. And we got here Pedro Bourbon. Another Super Team info card. You got Dave Henderson smiling. Steve Scarson again. Let's see, Golden Rainbow parallel of Kurt Manwaring. Nice triple exposure card there, pretty cool. Could be a better player though, but you know, it is what it is. All right, we got Tom Candiotti. Nice Ricky Henderson. Oh, here we go. Box paid for itself. We got Pat Mears, and then we got Joe Klink. So we got, let's see, Tim Tuffle. So we got a checklist coming up, yay. Major League debut, Lance Painter. And we got a nice Gary Sheffield. And this beautiful checklist. Is it the whole series on one? No, it looks like, yeah, it looks like there's two checklists, I guess. Get the Dugout Dirt info card. Albert Bell, Home Run Club. We got Ryan Klesko, full portrait shot there, almost like a high school senior photo. A little bit of bricking here. We got Pat Mears, Major League debut, Golden Rainbow parallel, and Jody Reed. All right, we got Pip Roberts, Mark Whitten, and we got Roberto Alomar, or Topps 3 trios, Molitor, Olerud, Alomar. Pretty cool. Brian Williams, another info card. They seem to waste a ton of cards in this set on. Jeff Montgomery, a lot of basically fillers. You know, a lack of, you know, rookies and everything else in this. They just throw a bunch of those info cards in there and call it a day. Moises Alou, you got Ben Rivera. I can't get these things apart. Sean Green, Major League debut. Another Mark Whitten. And we got Jody Reed again. Brady Anderson, Todd Hundley there, and then Brady Anderson in the back. Oh boy. Alex Arias. We got BJ Surhoff, gold rainbow parallel, I guess you call it. We got Cliff Floyd, Major League debut, and a nice Ken Griffey Jr. I guess we can put the Piazzas in the back, and we'll put Griffey up front. Another info card, Bo Jackson. Bo gets like an honorable mention. I got Kevin Tapani. Bo in 94, that had to be towards the end of his career, I forget. You know, I went in the military in 93, so didn't really stay up on top of everything that time. The decade there, so. Jerry Spradlin, Major League debut. John Doherty. We got Denny Hawkins, Major League debut, and Cecil Fielder. Looking slim and trim. All right, we got Pat Henkin, Stan Belinda, golden rainbow, or gold rainbow parallel, whatever you want to call it. Lenny Dykstra, Mike Piazza award winner. Another info card, Ricky Gutierrez, Fred McGriff, Brian Bohannon, Ben Rivera. You got Roger Pavlik, Craig Graybeck. And we have Wayne Kirby and Luis Aquino. And these packs got to be so hard to open. All right, Hippolito Picardo, Pedro Munoz, the gold rainbow parallel. Griffey Jr. Home Run Club. We got Sandy Alomar and an info card. Major League debut, Jeremy Burnitz. Interesting card. Don Mattingly. Towards the latter part of his career. Carlos Garcia. Gerald Clark. And we got Archie Cianfrocco. Ivan Rodriguez, Danny Schaefer, and Joe Klink again. Major League debut, Eduardo Perez. You got Doug Strange, gold rainbow parallel. You got Chris Carpenter, Brian Williams. Another info card nobody cares about. Tim Pugh signing some autographs, which are worth nothing. You got Paul O'Neill, another Gerald Clark. Randy Knorr, catching a foul ball, probably in spring training somewhere. Doug Strange, Wayne Kirby, John Burkett. Oh, hold on, we got Jeff Bagwell hiding in the back there. Jeff Bagwell, nice Jeff Bagwell there. All right, moving this along somewhat. All right, we got Brady Anderson, Sean Berry, gold parallel there, gold rainbow parallel. We got Otis Nixon, Roberto Alomar, stealing a base. Another info card. Kurt Manwaring, triple exposure again. It's a pretty cool card. You got Roberto Mejia, Major League debut. Charlie Huff, looking about 90. Jeff Blauser, Jeff Branson, Skeeter Barnes. And we got Pete Harnish and Steve Avery. All right, I got 4 packs left. All right, we got Reggie Sanders, Frank Thomas Home Run Club. And we got George Brett. That's a nice one there. We got Denny Hocking, another home run club or info card. Terry Mulholland. We got Barry Bonds, home run club. Doc Gooden, Brian Turang, Brett Butler, Brian Jordan. And somebody stuck to him, seems like. And luckily, the bricking hasn't been that bad, so I can't really complain. Another King Griffey Jr. And Craig Graybeck. You know, some of these cards, I mean, I got a box of 91 Stadium Club Series 2 that I got to open still yet, and I'm sweating that one. That one's probably going to take about 4 hours to open. You got Dick Schofield. You got Gold Rainbow Parallel Brad Pennington. You got Jason Beret. Another Greg Jeffries there. Info card nobody cares about. Another Nolan Ryan. Make sure, yep, he's alone. Oh yeah, Gold Rainbow Parallel before. You got Tom Foley. You got Brian Turang, Major League debut. Steve Buechele. Rick Wilkins. Denny Hocking, Major League debut. Roger McDowell with somebody piggybacking. Eduardo Perez, Major League debut. Appreciate you guys hanging in there. You know, no big ticket rookies coming out of these packs. Still fun though to go through them. If I can ever get them open. Alright, we got Slim and Trim Fernando Valenzuela here. You got Carlos Baerga, Gold Rainbow Parallel, or Golden Rainbow, whatever the hell it is. Tale of Two Players. Is it JT Snow and Tim Salmon? Pete Harnish. Another info card nobody cares about. Tony Fossis. Sid Bream. And we got Tim Belcher. Arthur Rhodes, Bip Roberts, Dave Hollins, Chuck Carr, and Juan Guzman. All right, last pack. Can I get the pack open? All right. All right, Jeff Montgomery, Kevin Seitzer, Gold Rainbow Parallel. We have here, we have a Home Run Club member, David Justice. What is this one here? Super Team card. Insert. San Francisco Giants. First one we've seen of those. Interesting. Whole lot of writing on the back here. Official rules, card 14 of 28. All right, Ted Power, John Jaha. And we got here Topps Trios. We got Palmeiro, Gonzalez, and Palmer. Tim Costo, Rob Dibble. Normal Kevin Seitzer. Roberto Hernandez. We got Anthony Young, and we finish it off with Bobby Witt. All right. Like I said, not too much bricking, so I can't really complain about that. You know, pulled out, you know, the stars that we thought we would, you know, Canseco, Griffey, Nolan Ryan, etc. And a couple of inserts in here, so overall not too bad. Didn't pay a whole lot for the box, so it's not like I'm really out much. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video.